Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 2nd of April. And today we had the markets gap down a little bit only to push up and continue upward the rest of the day. We had 3 trades today. 2 of them were winners. 1 was unsuccessful. The unsuccessful one, we got a little too aggressive and came back to bite us. Anyway, we had a maximum profit potential of 10 points or 40 ticks. Definitely played a little more conservative. We took 3 points or 12 ticks out. Definitely did play it conservative. We got long over here, rode this thing up a little bit, and we got long a little too early on the pullback, and it came down. It did stop us out, but then we ended up getting long again, and the market ended up taking off, and we did take profit over here, and there was no pullback. Market just continued, and that's what it did. 3 points. If you're looking at $50 a point, that's $150 for 2.5 hours. We trade from 9:30 to 12 Eastern time or New York time, whatever you want to call it. That's the style that I trade. That's the time that I trade. I think it's the best time. Everyone has their different opinions and this and that, but that's the time that I trade. That's the time the room's open, and it works very well for me. But anyway, we took out 3 points or 12 ticks. Definitely played it conservative, but we did make money, and that's all that really matters. I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite to trade. I'm sure all of you already know that. But I find it the most fun, the most challenging, the most exhilarating, and to be able to have a challenge every day and to have fun and to do something that you enjoy. It's the best thing ever. It's like you don't even work. You have fun, and then you go out and you have a different kind of fun. It's you trade, have fun, and then you go to the beach, have fun at the beach. Whatever you do, surf, lay out, play volleyball, play basketball, anything. But it's definitely a fun business to be in, and it's not something that you can get into easily. Trading is a lot of work, a lot of it will definitely try your patience. You definitely have to be patient. I don't want to get too sidetracked, but I felt I needed to talk about that a little bit. I'm getting a lot of questions about people want to be a successful trader in a month or two, and it's I always tell people that's why I space out my mentoring program. That's why I teach the way that I do inside of that program, because trading is not easy, and it's not something you can get into, and for the majority of people, after 2 months, they're not going to be, the $100 million per year trader. It's just not feasible. It's not possible, not plausible. It's definitely going to take more time than that. And that's one bias that I've seen with a lot of new entries into this industry, or even you've been trading for a couple years. Even though you've been trading for a couple years, just someone teaching their style, it's still a barrier of entry, and that's seems like a huge misconception as far as trading. People say, hey, take a 2-month trading course and you'll be phenomenal. And it's just not likely. It's unless you're paying a couple $100,000 and you're gonna learn all this stuff that's gonna help. I don't know. Even then, I don't know. I'm going off on a little rant or something like that, but I've been getting a lot of questions about that, so I figured, hey, let's go ahead and talk about it. But yeah, trading is definitely going to take time, and it takes a lot of effort on a lot of effort on your part to learn. And once you learn it, it's the best business ever. But while you're learning it, you'll definitely hate it. And it is what it is. But anyway, it's definitely a lot of fun for me, and it's provided a lot of cool stuff for me as well. You definitely get to buy all your toys that you want and everything like that. But anyway, with all that said, I encourage you to stop by and check out the website at www blah 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 www.abusinesswithtrading.com. A little tongue twister, I guess. I have some videos on there. I have a getting started page with a lot of written out materials. I have a few videos. Have a contact form on the upper right hand side. A lot of people ask questions. Keep them coming. No such thing as a dumb question. There's only the one that hasn't been asked. And if you don't know the answer, ask the question. I remember being a new trader. I was pretty horrible at it. And but I persevered and I got better. I didn't have anybody to teach me. I just I learned, and it did take a while. And if I had somebody teach me, it probably would have taken a lot less time and less money. Because I would not have lost so much. But it is what it is. And just wanted to talk about that a little bit. With that, let's go to the news for tomorrow, and we'll focus on that. 10 o'clock, we have factory orders looking for 1.5%. Prior reading was down a tenth. Down 1%. All day, anytime, the total vehicle sales are going to come out, looking for 14.6 million. Prior reading was 15.1 million. Not a huge number, but it's something. What everyone's going to be focusing on, though, is FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. That's going to let us know basically how the head bankers viewed our economy during the Fed meeting, and it will be interesting to look at. It definitely will be. A lot of interest in the U.S. dollar recently. Foreign interest in our markets, and it's going to be, it definitely would be interesting, and that's what everyone's going to be looking for. 2 o'clock. So I'm thinking could be a choppy day. 4:05, odd time to speak, but FOMC member Williams is going to speak. So he could be saying something interesting. He's going to say it while the market is closed, and we'll definitely be anticipating that, see what he's going to say there. Let's click on this real quick. It'll give us a little synopsis. This guy's the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco, John Williams, speaking at the university in San Diego. And you basically no idea what he's talking about, but we'll wait and see. Could be interesting. With that said, if you enjoy this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. I know it's a long video, but hopefully you enjoy it. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.